Hello, I'm Agnieszka. I'm from Bridgestone and I'm a product owner of the Quintiq Scheduler in European plants in Bridgestone. It is simplifying a lot how we look at the puzzle and how we are training our schedulers and how the schedulers can take decisions from the current situation, from the shop floor. This is the main thing that I see, and the visibility of current status from many different angles and from many different silos that we are using. This is much bigger than it was before. The biggest advantage is, and this is what we see, that the daily life of the scheduler is, after all, easier. Yes. It is hard work to prepare it and to make it work, of course, but at the end of the day, there is a reward for that. I was looking forward to meet other people who are working with Quintiq, and I wanted to check our how we are going on in Bridgestone, how we can compare our solution, our feeling about the Quintiq with other users. This is what I was looking for. And I was also interested in what kind of solutions you would propose and what kind of improvements you are working on. And I see some nice stuff also here. I find things that are interesting for me.